How's it going, YouTube? Siege Gaming here, bringing you guys another quick video on how to install your motherboard drivers and also update your motherboard drivers. This is going to be a huge step for new computers, and if you just built this, make sure to follow this guide and make sure to stay till the end to know how to extract everything and install everything correctly. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is identify what motherboards you have. And I know I have the Asus 370E. The reason I know this is because it was on my box, and you can also, if you threw away your box or you're doing this a little bit later, go ahead and look on your hard drive system inside of your computer and you can find that out there. The next step is go ahead and go to the internet, to Google, whatever you use, and go ahead and type in on the browser your motherboard model. After you do this, there's going to be a few options, and you don't want to go buy the motherboard again, so there's going to be a lot of websites like right here. This is going to be where you buy it. You're going to want to go to the support page, so if you need to, you can go ahead and click, there's support right here. So this is support only, and go ahead and click on this one, and it's going to be different depending on what you have, but you guys can ignore all these. This FAQ section is going to be a bunch of things about your motherboard only, so if you ever have any other questions, you can definitely go look. They get updated quite regularly as people ask questions on them all the time. And so what you're going to do is go to drivers and tools, go down here and please select OS. You're going to want to click the correct one because if not, it'll ruin everything. And so make sure, most of you will have Windows 10 64-bit. That's mostly what they sell. If you do have Windows 11, go and click that. So I'm going to go click on Windows 10. And we can go here, and the LAN driver, I'll quickly explain what they're for. The LAN is for the Ethernet, if you use Ethernet. The wireless is for your Wi-Fi drivers. The chipset is for CPU type stuff. Audio is obviously for audio. Video or VGA, video graphics adapter, is for things like HDMI cords and also like VGA cords that you plug into your monitor. Bluetooth is for Bluetooth services. Utilities is more like software kind of stuff, so you're going to make sure you want to do this. This is obviously updated the most frequently. SATA, which is going to be storage. If you have an SSD, you're going to want to make sure to do this one. And the utilities armor crate is kind of like their own system. This install process is going to be slightly different, but it's pretty self-explanatory if you do go do that. So let's get started, guys. I do have most of these, so this process might look slightly different, but I will make sure to explain it just as well. So we'll start off with the LAN one. Go ahead and click download. And up here, you'll see the LAN download. Go and click open file. And you're going to want to click extract all. And it does not matter where you put this, so go ahead and put it anywhere but your desktop, truly, because it will blow up your desktop. It's kind of insane. So I'm just going to make a new folder here to keep organized. I'm just going to say LAN driver. And to go and put that in there, go ahead and click extract. And the first thing you're going to do is look for, there's going to be a few setup tools, but the Asus setup with the little computer next to it, it's an application type setting. So go ahead and load that up, and it will load a different screen up. Sorry if that was a little loud. And since I already actually have this downloaded, it will not show up for me. But normally when you do this, you'll just go through the setup wizard and click, obviously, continue. If you need to move it somewhere, go ahead and move it somewhere. But other than that, you guys are all done. And you're going to have to restart your computer after that to make sure that it is installed correctly. So what I would recommend doing is install every single one of these and just go through the list and install them all and then restart your computer. It'll save you a lot of time. And all of the setups are the same way. But other than that, guys, you are all set. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe. And if it helped you, make sure to comment if you have any questions or anything like that. And yeah, you guys have a good one. Peace.